Hi, how are you doing? Let's design a girl's hair, including the face, and the hairstyle is going to be different. So we're putting the eyebrow, and the eyes you can see here. The nose and the lips here. Alright, drawing the face and the hairstyle. Let's draw outline like this. Putting the hairlines here. Looks like this. It's like a ponytail on the top. Neckline you can see here. Okay, other hairlines looks like this. Okay, we're going to put the shades with a darker pencil. All right. So we're just putting the same types of shades in the places. Also doing the opposite from the corners. Okay, and a square in the middle. For the hair in this part, let's put the shadow along the hairlines. This parts below the head is the darker. Okay. This part is going to be again darker. All right. So the monochromatic coloring is almost completed. and I hope you like the videos. We're just doing the regular shades. Okay. The sketch is going on and on as long as we do. So in some points we're just closing the drawings. All right, so this is it. I hope you like the videos. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.